Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making 干煎带鱼, pan-fried beltfish. If you have never ate beltfish before, it's a very flavorful ocean fish that looks like a belt. It's very easy to eat as the fish bones are easy to identify. It's usually pan-fried or braised. Beltfish is very easy to clean as it doesn't have any scales. We only need to cut the stomach open, remove the innards. An important step is to use scissors or knife to scratch the spine part and remove that strand of blood, as it contains strong fish odor. As for the long back fin, you can actually make an initial cut and rip it off. Once the fish is cleaned, use paper towel to dry the fish. Then we're going to chop it into rectangular pieces. Next, we're going to soak the fish using cold water and cooking wine for 30 minutes to remove the ocean fish odor. After the soaking, we're going to drain the fish and marinate the fish with a little bit of salt, since it's naturally a little salty, some wet peppers, and some MSG for 30 minutes. Beltfish's silver skin is actually very fragile. We need to make sure it's very dry before pan frying, or the skin would stick to the pan. You can dry the skin with paper towel first. Then you can put the fish on a baking rack and fan them for a few minutes to dry them up. Or you can batter the skin with a light coat of flour before frying. Our way of air drying without using the flour will give the fish a crispier finish. For the pan frying part, we need the wok to be very hot, so we are using our thin layer wok here. Put the oil in and slide a few pieces of the fish in. Don't overcrowd the wok. As you can see, even though the steel wok doesn't have a non-stick coating, the fish pieces are not sticking. You can shake the wok a little bit, but don't rush into flipping. Pan fry the first side for 2 minutes using medium heat. Then you can flip to the other side and do the same thing. After both sides are being pan fried for 2 minutes, flip again and use higher heat to fry the first side into golden color. Then do the same thing for the second side as well. Take the fish out of the oil and put them on a paper towel to drain extra oil. The fish is golden and crispy on the outside and tender and moist on the inside right now. Even the bone connecting to the back fin are crispy enough to eat. The fish was so tasty and easy to eat, my daughter ate 3 pieces. We hope you learned our little tricks on how to pan fry the beltfish without it sticking and get the great result. If you like our cooking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our cooking with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.